After watching the Stefan Krashen, I'm not sure if that's his name, but videos, I found them both very interesting. One thing that I really enjoyed was when he would give examples of like he would mention something and then maybe he would like tell a story about something that happened in his life and like how he experienced what he talked about. Or in one of the videos he talked about I don't remember the lady's name, but he talked about a video that they or a letter that they had wrote. And so like just the different examples that he gave I found very helpful. Um One thing that he said that really stuck out was how everyone has the same ability to learn a new language, and it doesn't matter your age or anything. Um, it just kind of depends on like your attitude towards learning a new language and different things like that, which to me is very interesting because I've always thought that it's easier to learn a new language as a kid than it is as an adult. So that really stuck out to me. And then another thing was when he was talking about writing makes you smarter. And one of the important parts to writing is the revision, which he says is as you go from draft to draft, you get better ideas. And so instead of just something that makes your paper look prettier by doing a revision, it helps you get new ideas and helps to make the paper better with those new ideas that you can put into it. And so I thought that was a really good example or thing that he said. And then he also mentioned if you get stuck doing something mindless, um, or like if you get stuck like maybe doing a test or homework or something, do something mindless. Like he gave the example of when he was in a hotel room and like when he goes to a hotel room, he just like scatters everything out. And so he was wanting to clean the hotel room before like the maid came, but then he also needed to write this paper. And so as he was writing the paper, he would like maybe get stumped or something. So he would stop and he would like he said he picked up the toothpaste and took it to the bathroom and then he came right back. And then he would feel bad and then maybe got stumped again. So then he took a shirt and he went and hung up like one shirt and then he came back and wrote some more. And so by the end of it he got his paper wrote and he also got his room cleaned. And so I found that very interesting. But he said, like in a school, teachers don't allow you to do that. Like they don't allow you to get up and kind of wander or do something and then come back to your seat. So he like mentioned like, some students like maybe they like look up at the ceiling or something, like if you get stumped on a test and something like simple like that could help. Like maybe you just forget about the test for a second and then you come back to it. And so I found that kind of interesting. So like he gave some really good points and like just some of the stuff he said in the videos I thought were very interesting and helpful.